Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ee-Feh. I'm a makeup artist here in the UK and my channel covers fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if this is what you're into, you're definitely at the right spot. Welcome. In today's video I'm going to be filming a Zara perfume haul for you guys. So what we're going to be doing is scent and style. So I'm obviously going to be reviewing the perfumes and I'm also going to be attaching pictures of what I think would wear this type of perfume just by their style. So get it? Scent and style. Anyways, I hope you guys actually enjoy this. Tell me if this is a good idea, so that way I feel like with perfumes as well, sometimes you have to I wear perfumes based on what I'm wearing and how I'm feeling that day. So it'll be nice to just have a bit of a visual representation of what another perfume smells like. Talked about the idea last night and I was like, okay, this is different. You know, it's very new. I've not really seen this done anywhere. So we're gonna be doing that. So let me know. Let me know if it's a good idea. Just thumbs up or comment. Let me know. So the first fragrance I'm gonna be talking about is True Leather. This is in the women's section. I just love the color. It reminds me of Chloe by Chloe. And so this was $15.95, but I picked this up for $12.99. Oh sorry, this is £12.99 actually. $12.99. That's not bad. The top notes are saffron. The middle note is dry amber, and also the bottom note is leathery musk. It comes in a gold, lovely, classic, minimalist bottle, and I just love, I really love it. And I love the fact that it's got a little gold details here, and it's got a gold cap and a white detail just at the top of the cap. It's really nice. I can see they've put a lot of attention to details in this. And let's spray. Why was I shaking that? To be honest with you, this is more of a winter perfume. Yeah, it's quite musky and it's quite leathery. It's very edgy, but it's not sweet. So if you're the type of person that loves strong perfume and you love the hardcore leather, all black, edgy, grungy look, and you love the masculine musk kind of scent, you're really gonna enjoy this. This isn't really my favorite because I like oud and I like a bit of I'm kind of in between sweet and oudy, but this is very masculine compared to the normal Zara perfumes. The longevity of this is quite good. You probably get about 5 hours. On myself, I get about 5 hours max, and that's it. I also picked up True Leather, but this is in the men's section. So the top note is bergamot, pink peppercorn, saffron, and then the middle note is iris, I don't know, caramel, dry amber. Okay, so they've got very similar notes to the women's one, and the base note is leathery Evernile musk. Right, let's take a look. And this is also $12.99. This is a lot stronger, and these are all Eau de Parfum, by the way. And I feel like this has a lot more personality compared to the women's one. I definitely get the peppercorn, I get the hoodie notes. I see myself wearing the men's one compared to the women's one because I feel like this has a lot more to offer compared to the women's. And although it's leathery, I would enjoy wearing this. I see, okay, so I'm gonna insert a picture of someone that I see wearing this type of perfume, so you have an idea exactly what vibe it's giving me. It's giving me strong, it's giving me independent, it's giving me a powerful, feminine personality that looks really classy, all put together. It's giving me, the all black everything vibe, and it's also giving me strong, outspoken tonality, if that makes any sense. The True Leather one is also apparently it's meant to be a dupe for Tom Ford Leather Tuscan. So I've never smelt it, so I don't know. So the next fragrance is Gourmand, and this is, you know, your typical Zara perfume, and comes in a lilac. I think it's like a, ooh, I can see my reflection in this. Hey, oh yes. Sorry, a bit of a vain moment. Right, so this is guys, I'm colorblind, so I'm gonna say this is sky blue lilac color. And like I said, this is your typical Zara perfume. Gourmand is very sweet. Obviously, it's a Gourmand fragrance. So I reckon Gourmand and one of the True Leather will actually make a very banging combination, because this is really sweet. I feel like it's missing a bit of like woodiness or musk. If there was a bit of a musk, if there was a bit of, let's see the notes. But apparently it's got mango and praline. But it's very, very sweet. My mouth is actually watering just smelling this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a bit of True Leather on it. And then with this one as well, you probably get a longevity of like 3 hours. They're not meant to be a long durable, well, myself anyway, they're not meant to be a long durable perfume. I feel like I sprayed a bit too much, because now all I can smell is the True Leather, because it's really strong. Oh yes, I smell it now. Yeah, this is definitely a good combination. This would be a good mix. So the Gourmand can be like, you know, a nice layering perfume, and then you can go on top with something a bit stronger. Right, so the next on my list is, gosh, I'm out of breath. The next on my list is Red Temptation. Apparently, oh lord, the story about this. So I found out about this perfume like during Christmas. Yes, late, but it's better late than never. This was sold out on the Zara website, and went on Depop. Wasn't on Depop. I went on eBay. eBay resellers were selling this for like £99. I mean, this is how much? This is $15.99, $12.99 even. And resellers are selling it $99.99. I'll probably get about 5-6 hours max from it. So why would I spend £99 on a fragrance that was sold for $12.99? You're going to hell. You're really, that's not ethical. If you're one of those people and you're selling this for $99.99, trust me, karma is real. Karma is coming to bite you in the ass and live a big stink, eat poo on your doorstep, because you deserve it. And you're probably gonna step on shit or something. You'll be left smelling stinky. Anyways, moving on to this perfume. This is really nice. This is okay. So this is compared. This is compared to Baccarat Rouge 540. It's got that molecule vibe to it, but I wouldn't compare this to Baccarat Rouge, because I feel like that is just a big slap in the face. I'd probably say it's about 30% similar, and I would also compare this to Mancera Instant Crush, because I recently bought the bottle and it smells a lot closer to Mancera Instant Crush than Baccarat Rouge. This is really good. It's a favorite of mine. I really like it, and you probably get about 6 hours from this as well. Good effort, Zara. I'm gonna give it to you. Like, it's gonna make a nice everyday fragrance for the house, but it's not something I would wear out, because I want something a bit stronger, and I don't want to have to worry about topping up my perfume and all of that. Anybody got time for that? So that's why, you know, the high-end prices come into play. But if you're staying home, during the lockdown, got nowhere to go, nowhere is open anyway, this is a really nice fragrance to wear indoor. Ooh, backstory actually. So I wasn't able to get this on the website, but I was able to get it on eBay. Thankfully, someone with decent brain, someone with, you know, a Christian brain, was selling this for, I think I got this for like £30, including shipping and everything. So that's I mean, we all have to make our money, but you're buying something for £12.99 and you're selling it for £99. Nah, fam. So £30 was reasonable. I saw it and then I was like, yes, I'm buying it. Okay, Red Temptation. Red Temptation is very nice, very edgy. It's got that musky vibe, and it's also like, even though it's sweet, it's not too sweet. It's also got that woody vibe to it as well. And this is the person I think would wear Red Temptation just by the way they dress, just by the style. So this, I'm gonna insert a picture. You know, it's nice, it's edgy, it's fashionable, it's very modern, it's very chic. Yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite. Right guys, so the next fragrance I'm gonna be talking about is Beau Soleil. I think that's what it's called, Beau Soleil. I know soleil in French means sun, so Beau is probably a bright sun. Let's have a look. Ooh, okay. So it's Beau in French means wood, so soleil in French means sun. So I guess it's called wood sun, woody sun, or sun woody sun. Anyway, you get the gist. The top note is neroli, never heard of that, and it's got, and also nutmeg as well, and the middle note is tuberose, woody. That makes sense. Obviously, that's why it's called Beau, because it's got wood in it. And the base note is patchouli and vanilla. Okay, I'm gonna spray this on my tissue. Okay. Okay. I definitely get the vanilla and the nutmeg in this. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm just gonna spray this on skin, because on the tissue it's just not performing very well. Yeah, so we're gonna, I mean, we need to talk about it. We just can't ignore it. Okay. So this is actually the men's version as well. It comes in a dark greenish bottle and gold cap detail at the top, which is very nice, very fancy. Right, so a few people said it was giving that rich madame vibe. To me, I really don't get that. It smells cheap. Yeah, it smells like, you know, those cheap perfumes you get in a Christmas market. Yeah, I'm not really a fan. I don't really see myself using it. Okay, so the last perfume I've got is Ebony Wood. It's a collaboration with Jo Malone and Zara. And I would consider this as a unisex perfume. It comes in a very minimalist bottle. Take a look at that. It's got a black cap, and it just says Ebony Wood, and it's got like a little canvas detail in front of it. It's very pretty. And then in a set, it comes in a set, and it comes in a tiny little bottle as well. Look at that. It's like a miniature version, and you can just pop this in your bag. Do you know, I really like this. Is it refillable? Oh no, it's not refillable. Oh no, because this is something I would keep forever, because the bottle is quite nice. Right, so let's get into the description of the ebony wood. So I'm gonna spray this on my tissue. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my god. Oh, I really like this. Okay, so from the opening of this, I get fruity, fresh, citrus, a bit of vanilla, but then it's got like that subtle woodiness to it. It's not heavy on the wood. Yeah, I definitely think this is a unisex fragrance. So if I was to like step out the shower and this is what I want to be smelling like. This is what I want to be smelling like every day. And it dries down to this woody, spicy, refreshing fragrance as well. This is definitely my favorite. It would also make a nice signature perfume. It's definitely a winter smell, and it smells flirty, it smells fresh, it smells strong. Oh my god, I love it. And it smells different, it smells unique. Like, I don't think I've ever smelled anything like this. I was actually blown away by the quality of this fragrance, because a lot of the affordable cheap perfumes, when they say the word wood, you hardly get the presence of wood, you get something else. When I think about a style, I think about, you know, a black and a white outfit, an oversized white t-shirt or something, and then you've got a slim fitted trousers, or you're wearing a white shirt dress, and you've got your hair like a bit wet and wavy. Oh gosh, this is such a vibe. This is definitely a fragrance that this is the fragrance I've started using. I should probably stop waving the tissue at you, but this is the fragrance I've started using every day because it's a nice pick me up. I want to smell fresh, you know. But the downside to it, this doesn't last you that long. I mean, personally, it doesn't last that long on myself. It would probably last about 6 hours on your clothes, but on skin, it lasts about 4 hours. 5 max? 4 hours? Yeah, I'd probably say 4 hours. And that's me being very generous. Do you know what? This would make a really good weave or like hair perfume because it's so nice and refreshing. If I was to recommend one or two, that would be the Ebony Wood and also Red Temptation. And you know, for my strong masculine feminine girls out there, or just for guys if you're watching, I would also recommend True Leather as well because it's also a nice fragrance. It's not gonna break the bank, so why not? So that completes the entire video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you've managed to stick around in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you've picked up one of this and what your thoughts are. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.